Today we're going to be looking at the newest thing from Media. I've used their products before and I've always been very, very happy with them. So I was excited when they reached out to me to do a demo on their newest product. So let's open it up and see what it is. We have the brand new Media Live Gamer Ultra S. This is a new product from Media. It records at 4K, 60 frames per second, 240 FPS capture, ultra wide, RGB 24, true to life colors, VRR pass-through in recording, and 5.1 immersive surround sound. This device records at 4K, but your Nintendo Switch output is 1280 by 720, which is 720p. Your Steam Deck output is 1280 by 800, again, 720p. Your Xbox has the higher resolution at 1440, which is barely 2K. You have a pass-through HDMI output. You have your HDMI input, which you want to record, a USB-C out to your computer so you can record it with QuickTime or OBS or whatever software you have. And the recommended hardware that you will need will be a desktop with Intel Core i5 or higher, AMD 3 or higher, running Windows 10 or higher, a laptop with Intel Core i7 or higher, 8 GB RAM recommended. And for Apple products, you're going to need an Apple M1 or higher, running Mac OS 13 or above. Let's see what it looks like. It looks hot. Here, isn't it? And this is just kind of a catalog. Here is the unit. Ooh, very nice. Close up of this. Okay. And you can see right there, you've got your HDMI out, in, USB 3 or USB-C, side, front, side. Okay, I can't wait to try this out. Now I'm going to show you some demos of the actual video caught with the Live Gamer Ultra S. We're using a couple different platforms. I'm going to be using Xbox, Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, and I'm going to record with both OBS and then with QuickTime. And you can see what the differences are and how it comes out.
Big Sky Country, the Treasure State. People got a lot of names for it. I just call it home.
Lived here my whole life. Still amazed at how beautiful it is.
Maybe that's what blinded us to how ugly the people were getting.
Good day to you, brother.
You don't understand. No one took these groups seriously.
They were different. Religious.
As you can see, the Live Gamer Ultra S did a really good job recording from the Xbox, the Nintendo Switch, and my Steam Deck. I'll have the links below for your Live Gamer Ultra S. They are on sale right now at Amazon. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.